Hello, welcome, and good morning. It is the 4-minute morning for Crypto Day, Saturday, 5th of May, 2018. Bitcoin currently as at 9:38 a.m. at 9,965 US dollars. It has not seen 10,000 since that of March the 8th. And that's basically, well, it's not basically, it is at the levels it has not seen since then, as the price action has broken past the established resistance in that of 9,768 set on April the 25th. Now, it has barely broken above it. It still has done so. It has done so after leaving the 18 average after correcting within such for a little over a week. On May the 3rd, a pause day yesterday amongst the highest levels it has seen recently, and of course breaking out in today's session on the 60-minute time frame. The market goes up, corrects, goes up, at least that's what it's been doing. Since the May lows in here, you have a nice little pattern of making higher lows and higher highs until May the 3rd, and then it elevators its way up. Corrects it going in an ascending type of triangle with resistance roughly around 98.55. It's already broken past that, and the big level at 98.72. But you have this key low in on May the 3rd at about 95.50, then again at about 96, then again about 96.84, then here last one is at 97.75. So obviously bulls in full control, and as I've been stating for the last little while, I really need to see this get above 10,000. Now, mathematically, it's pretty much at that number now. It's just on the psychological point of view. I think if it gets to that point, I wouldn't be surprised again if this thing can have large size green up days or a consecutive set of up days that will inevitably and quickly test the 12,627 area. Moving on to some altcoins. Digital Note XDN established a level of resistance at 180 Satoshi on April the 20th, pulling back to a key level at 130. Well, it's already gotten above the 180 level, currently in at 187. It is decently extended from the 18 average. It could very much correct back down to making a higher low at around the 162 area, which would be this level of resistance, and meeting up within a 18 average. But this thing has the potential for these kinds of green candles too. So what the order is going to be on the menu, well, you're gonna have to ask the chef that, because I don't know, but I realize the order might be really good. At least there's a better chance of such, because it is now newly broken that level of resistance. Ditto with Bitcoin Cash. It has barely broken the resistance from that of April the 24th. And as far as a leg higher is concerned, maybe this thing can get up past the quarter mark at 0.25. Definitely in a nice bullish situation. Cloak, on the other hand, has got a bearish situation, and that it made this major high on April the 18th, came back down to key fib, and then it's the rollover phase in here, breaking down below this level of support. Maybe it's able to test a higher low area at around the 107 handle. And just to give another bearish signal, as there are some also, that of CRW Crown, which this level of support it has tested quite frequently at about this 16,000 area that it's at now, even dipping below 15,003. But after making this high on April the 17th, coming back down to this level, this lower high in its retracement, showing the weakness signs or reasons for concern on a break below about 15,100 to the downside. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.